Hey everyone, today's my recipe very easy and tasty and healthy delicious snack item. This rice recipe already I uploaded before this video. Please check out that video. I took pearl millets 200 grams here and soaked 6 hours. You can soak overnight if you want it as a breakfast. Remove the water before soaking. Wash 2 times. Any dust is there, it will go. And transfer to mixer jar, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, then grind finely. Now transfer to a bowl. This is very healthy recipe. You can give to your children or your family members. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of suji and 1 teaspoon of required salt. Then mix well. Suji will absorb the excess water. Mix without lumps. Then close and cook the. Now you can observe that there is no shape to prepare the vada. Now close and keep aside for 15 minutes. Suji entire water absorbed. Now we can shape this batter. Now add a little bit spiciness for this recipe. 2 chopped green chilies and 2 stems of chopped curry leaves and 2 small onions I chopped nicely and mix well. You can add 1 teaspoon cumin or 1 teaspoon of nicely chopped ginger also. Then mix all the ingredients directly. We can prepare the recipe now. Now shape is coming. If it is liquidity, you can add 1 more spoon suji. Take a milk cover or any banana leaf or any leaf, then clean it with water, then make the vada on heated oil. We can fry. Every time we have to clean the hand and leaf or any parchment paper or any milk paper, oil paper. You can use anything what you have. This much thickness is enough for this vada. Don't prepare very thin. It will take to cook. It will take time. Don't turn the immediately after putting the oil. Once the fried bubbles will reduce, then you can take from oil. Prepare in the same way. Enter the batter. It's very healthy recipe. You can use this millets, this pearl millets in this way, or we can make different types of recipes with this pearl millets. This is one way, and another way I already uploaded pearl millet laddu. Serve with any pickle and sprinkle some nicely chopped onions. This is ready and very easy recipe. You can take as a breakfast or as a snack with tea time. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Like and comment me. Thank